Hi, I'm Susan, and today we're going to go over pre-flight warnings in EDO Next. First, let's talk about pre-flight warnings. Pre-flight warnings are alerts that flag content in your yearbook that may not print correctly. When our designer detects an issue, a pop-up will appear when you save your page, indicating that you have one or more warnings. These warnings will be listed in the pop-up below for your review. Common examples include low-resolution images, photos flagged fit to frame, or text that's in overflow. When you see a pre-flight warning, you'll have two options. You can continue to save your page with the warnings, or you can cancel the save and make the necessary corrections before moving forward. You can also select the item by clicking it in the list of warnings. Let's start with our low-resolution image. First, select the image that has the pre-flight warning, then go to the Photo Settings menu on the right. In the right-hand corner, it shows the DPI dots per inch for print. Your image will have this warning if it is under 100 DPI. To resolve this issue, hold down the Shift key and use one of the blue dots in the corner to minimize the image. You will see the warning disappear and the DPI number increase. Next, let's look at the fit to frame warning. This appears when an image doesn't completely fill its frame, often when manual is selected in the fit drop-down menu. You'll notice visible space around the image showing the frame outline. To correct it, click and drag the image with your mouse until it fills the entire frame, and use the blue dots in the corners to expand or minimize it. For fine-tuning, use your keyboard's arrow keys to make small, precise adjustments. Once it's in the frame, the pre-flight warning will disappear when you save the page. Text in overflow means your text box has cut off a part of your text. You can resolve this easily by either expanding your text box until the warning disappears or using the quick menu to remove any extra spaces or duplicates. This can easily happen if the text box is smaller than the body or font size of the text. Once you have made your corrections, you can save your corrected design. You should see no pre-flight warnings appear. Thank you for choosing EDO Next for your yearbook designer software.